And things I can hear when I close my eyes, I heard people talking as they walk by outside my window. The leaves rustling with the wind and birds, I guess, in the trees, which was quiet and with my heartbeat.
I hear my baby brother playing with the computer mouse and my stomach growling because I didn't have breakfast yet.
I heard the sound of bells. I heard the sound of voices and people talking around me. And I heard the sound of water.
I heard the freezer opening. I heard something hit the ground. I heard Zoom.
I heard my mom going up and down the stairs.
I hear my dad typing on his computer.
I heard my brother's Zoom call. The air conditioning in this room.
And then upstairs, I hear some clanking, chopping, and scraping from my wife, who's doing something wonderful in the kitchen, I believe. And then outside, I can hear the neighbors. I can hear Dawn and Charlene working the chainsaw, clearing a little bit.
A lot of traffic going by. Whether it be cars, horns, big trucks, cars, buses.
And because I live next to the 15 in Montreal, I can faintly hear the highway, and I can hear some trucks and cars and lots of seagulls and a few kids playing nearby.
I can hear clapping.
I also hear neighbors having fun. And also hear a truck that's doing renovations for their fence.
I heard the beepings of a truck and the wind.
So I can see my son, who's sitting not too far away from me, who's about to turn 12 years old in a couple of days, and I'm watching how grown up he's looking, working over there.
I see our neighbor's house.
I'm in my childhood room, so I see a lot of hockey equipment around me.
So I see the basement of my parents' house and a beautiful bedpost.
I was looking at my stereo box because I just like the pictures, the designs of it when I drew it.
I hear the traffic outside and the highway.
Like beeping and trucks and diggers, and they're digging up the whole street.
Maybe people talking. That's what
I hear my brother playing his game.
I hear my mom doing the dishes, and I hear my dad doing something outside.
I hear the wind outside.
I hear trees, I hear cars, I hear Zoom, and I hear us riding.